Do you experience sore throat or swollen lymph nodes or glands in your throat? Then I'm going to show you this technique. You can see the lymphatic system. Here you go. And you have a lymph node right here, a lot of lymph nodes, and the biggest tractors here of the garbage. So what you do is this. My name is Rune Aabø. I try to teach you how to be pain-free. We're draining the lymph node, the lymphatic system. I'm from Norway and I'm going to teach you this. So what you do, this muscle here is the sternocleidomastoid, and I'm going to pinch it like this. So what I do, I go in the pinching grip like this, and I twist it like this. A little bit painful it could be, and I twist and turn. A little bit painful, but now I can feel the tension in the muscle is softer. Because if this muscle is contracted because of overused, too much sitting on your phone or maybe, then this muscle are contracted and it will block the drainage to your lymphatic system. So you can see here, you will drain the blockage, and all of this lymph node, the green dots, are the lymph gland or the lymph nodes. Okay, so we wanted to drain them. So one finger over the other, you go behind the neck. This is the levator scapula. You can see here now, I go in with a grip, or I climb a grip like this. I go in behind and I pull it like this. And when you do this, you get this. You can pinch it also like this. There we go. And then it should be soft. It should not be hard or tender. And if it's soft, then the drainage will be better. And maybe your headache or your jaw pain or your sore throat gets better. Try that. And my name is Rune Aabø. I try to teach you how to get pain-free. Please subscribe if you want to learn more. I try to teach you this for free. So be kind to share it with people that needs it. So goodbye.